Hello YouTubers, Mercey Watts once again here. This would be part 5 maybe, or part 4. But I hope that you guys are ready for this Noctua Cooler installation. It's gonna be a pain. I took it out of the box because it's got a little tiny. I did a dry run, that's why you can see the marks there, and see the screws are so small. They gave you some long screws, but they're too big for the holes, so we had to use these little screws and this little Allen wrench right here to go with it. So I'll separate the little screws from the big screws. For the purpose of this video, I assemble everything back, and then I'm gonna disassemble it so that you guys can see how it goes. I mean, I know you guys know how it goes, but this video is for those that they don't know how it goes. And we're gonna be installing this guy as well, so this would be part 4. So bear with me. I ordered me a tripod, hopefully for my phone, and that's gonna help out with the video stabilizing and all that. I got some copyright music from that Lofi guy. I can put a link in there. So I'll remove these brackets right here because they gotta go, otherwise the cooler ain't gonna sit right there. Everything has to go through the back with this Noctua coolers. Gotta get in there. I guess I snugged them real good for you guys' convenience. Sorry, the camera angle is really bad here. Let's see here. The bracket used to come out back in the days. The bracket, this one right here. But this AMD 5 boards are a little bit different than the AMD 4 boards. So the brackets will stay because the CPU holder, whether it be the original or this new plate, needs to adhere to it. So yeah, we're right now installing the cooler. I like to use the thermal paste that comes with the Noctuas because I never had any issues. So there's a lot of methods to use this thermal paste. Let's see. Man, the light is really shining. So we'll do the P method with a little bit of little piece around. Oh my God. Something like that. Something like that. So that would be sufficient right there. And you can put some in there, but it'll spread out. Maybe I'll do one right here. The camera moves this up because the angle where that little flexo deal is really close. The chair's right there. One day I'll show you. Alright, when you orient these coolers, the wire always goes towards these connectors right here because you're going to connect them in there. If you flip them, you know, you got to go around the connector. It's just not right. So do that to yourself. Prepare yourself before you do anything. A lot of people put the P ordeal right in the cooler itself. I kind of, you know, they can do that. So what we're gonna do right here is gonna put the cooler here, oriented this way, like so. And of course, I'll bring this motherboard backwards. And this is the trick. You have to center all this. Just like so. And now we got a fiddle faddle with these screws because they're really thin, like I knew they would. I might told you guys that we're gonna use that. So let's start one. Yeah. Now there. You have to find the guy. See, like I said, it's gonna be really hard now. Yeah, it's not even close. I don't like this new setup here. Let me see if I can do this guy. Once you get one, the other ones will follow. Oh yeah, no, we gotta shine something underneath, make sure. Let's see. It's a pain. Just bear with me, people. Man, do I need a light here? Look at all the lighting. You gotta use a I can't believe we're into 9 minutes already. Dude. It's just little tiny movements that you gotta do to find the holes here. We're in 9 minutes now. Wow, 10 minutes now. Ready? Guys are in there already. Let me shine some light on the back here, make sure. Wow. The cool just came off. Horrific. This is a terrible design, in my opinion. I can see why they would like send this guy's back. I can see that now. I hate breaking the seal of the thermal paste. It's just, I don't know, just messy. I don't like that. Tiny screws, you know, at least back in the day they used to include screws that would be a little bigger, easier for the once you're there, they're a little tight, but not so much. You just work it like a tire. Yeah, I wish I had those awesome cameras. It'll get better, people. It'll get better, you'll see. The more subscribers I get, and if you guys buy products that aren't on my link, hopefully I can get an affiliated or deal with Amazon or something. And that way the channel can have revenue and you guys can enjoy. Because my goal is to build PCs in the future and give them away to my subscribers, slowly but surely. You know, we'll draw something. And you guys can enjoy these little guys, and you know, once you get home, once you have them home, you can take them apart. Man, I don't like how tight these guys are getting. I'm not gonna tighten them all the way, just like that. That's supposed to be sufficient pressure, but like I said, if you put it back and all of a sudden the thermals are bad, that's your fault. Alright, so the gray one right here is for the CPU. Like so. And I like to zip tie a couple of zip ties right there because I don't like to hang. You know, this thing still go like this. So yeah. And go there like that. And kind of make it nice and neat. To each his own. You guys can do something different. Don't have to do what I'm doing here. It's totally up to you guys. Make it snug, but not so snug, but it's gonna cut the wire. Got this, guys. Cheap Amazon. These were the wires I was telling you guys that replaced the mustard cable ordeal. They, you know, for the SATA splitter. I told you. There you go, nice and neat, nice and tug. Okay. This video might be a little bit longer because the cooler was a pain on the bum. So we're just going to install the M.2. This is where the operating system is going to be at. I guess I already opened for you guys. Wait a minute, I don't remember opening this. Oh man, I hope I don't get a useful. Oh, sorry, this is not it. I guess that's why it was open. Here you go. I knew it was sealed. The good, the bad, and the ugly. You just witnessed the ugly. I'm prepared. I'm prepared, YouTuber. Video, I don't want it to be so long, but wow, it went on forever. Thank you to the cooler. Broke? No way. Okay. Oh wow. The little latch break? Of course, they're gonna make it difficult. Yeah, you don't want to cross thread this, guys. This is where all the trouble starts for some people. Kind of snugly. Man, I think the music is like way up there. Alright, this would be part 4 of the video. Oh, yeah, because there you go. Little tiny screws right there. My goodness gracious. They didn't have no washer either. Should have put a washer. This doesn't need it. When I'm installing this in the case, I will remove this little plastics. But for now, this video is it right now. Got the M.2 SSD. Yeah, this thing is bent. What gives? It's kind of like that, like that. I mean, it's designed for it. So yeah. And I put a Strix logo here. It came with a motherboard, so we'll have that installed as well. Kind of put logos all over the box as well, but not too much as to bleed out all logos everywhere. The Noctua does employ the little batch. I'm not going to install it, but I mean, if it was black, maybe red, maybe I would. There you go. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Sorry the video took forever, but I wanted you guys to struggle with me installing this and an AM5 for the AMD 5 CPUs. So this cooler, I don't know, I haven't seen anybody install this cooler yet in this detail. So I hope that you... Did I have thermal paste all over my fingers? I did. Look at it. Don't worry, I'll clean this with alcohol and some other stuff. Then I'm gonna blow it up using my trusty there you go. All right, there it is, part 4. Enjoy. Happy festivities. You guys take care now. Mercey Watts out. Bye bye.